Honor 5X is one of those devices in the Indian market trying to impress the budget buyer who is looking for a bang for the buck. For just a mere 12,999 rupees, you will get a full metal body, a snappy fingerprint sensor, a 5.5-inch 1080 display, dual SIM support, and a Sapphire battery. While the device currently not on Marshmallow, Honor has promised an update sometime later this year. In our Honor 5X review, we'll look at this budget flagship has to offer for the price, the goods and the bads. The Honor 5X feels premium in hand despite its low cost. The backup device is entirely made of metal which makes the device a lot slippery to hold. There's a brushed metal feel to it and it does attract scratches and fingerprints easily. The rear camera sits in the middle. Also on the back is the fingerprint sensor which is placed below the camera. The fingerprint sensor is accurate and snappy. The Honor logo is placed at the second half of the back. The bottom of the device is where the micro USB 2 port sits, flanked by two grills, but only one of those is a speaker. The headphone jack sits at the top, while the power button and the volume rockers are at the right side. The device weighs at only 158 grams and is just 8.2 mm thick. Honor 5X sports a 5.5-inch Full HD display. The display panel is IPS LCD. It is worth noting that 5X doesn't feature any kind of protective glass over the display. The 5X does let you manually change the color temperature of the display, which is a good thing considering the price. The colors are vibrant and not oversaturated. Sunlight readability is also good. The text and images appear crisp. Colors appear a bit off at a slightly tilted wave angle. The Honor 5X features a 13-megapixel rear camera with aperture 2.0 and a single LED flash. The images are shot at 4.3 aspect ratio with a resolution of 4160 into 3120. Well, there's no manual mode in the camera, but ISO and white balance can be adjusted after a bit digging inside the camera settings. It has a 5 megapixel of front snapper with aperture 2.4. It comes with different mode. We took a couple of shots and they come out just average. When there's enough light, the selfies seem bright and vivid, and there is a fair bit of noise and grain while shooting selfies in low light. The 5X features a 3000 mAh of battery, which is an impressive hardware considering the price you are paying for the device. The 5X has two types of power plants which can be found under settings, Ultra Power Plant and Smart Power Plant. We found the battery life on 5X to be above average. It lasted for 30 plus hours with screen on time of about 7 hours, which is amazing. While testing the battery, we were continuously connected with Wi-Fi or 3G. We watched couple of videos on YouTube, played games on LAN, browsed the internet and read WhatsApp like hell. And in my opinion, the battery performance was awesome. The review unit we tested was running Emotion UI 3.1, which is based on Android Lollipop 5.1.1. While Lollipop might sound outdated to you, Honor has already promised a Marshmallow update for the 5X later this year. The Honor 5X, much like any other Honor device, does not contain feature and app drawer. Instead, all apps are placed on home screen. To maintain some order, you can group apps together in folders. However, you can download any launcher from Google Play Store which can give an app drawer. We also ran the Antutu benchmark version 6.1 on the 5X and it came out with a score of 35,105. Honor 5X features a mono speaker which is loud enough for ringtones and notifications, but you will mostly find yourself covering it with your hand while playing games or watching videos because it is placed at the bottom of the device. The sound quality over headphone is good, the voice quality during calls is clear as well. While phones are getting bigger, the 5X will fit perfect in your pocket. The best thing about Honor 5X is its fingerprint sensor, which is good enough to unlock my phone in the blink of an eye. You can enable different gesture modes to bring down the notification bar, and I will be missing these features for sure in another device. Now the question is it worth buying Honor 5X? Well, the Honor 5X is an attractive smartphone which despite its low price feels premium in hands. Fingerprint sensor and metal bull placed in the budget premium segment with the La1 as the only worthy competitor. Despite the sometimes sluggish performance and average camera, it's hard to not to recommend Honor 5X to a budget buyer. It will surely be a great grab for the price. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to visit our website Beamdrive to read the full review of the Honor 5X.